Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Welcome to the 2026 Go Reading Workshop Series. Now we're going to be doing a whole bunch of problems involving reading for the Foundations of Reading and Reading Specialist exams. I want you to use these videos to make this a game, have fun, and get better to pass these exams. Let's just jump right in with our first set of problems. Let's go. All right, team, the first concept we're going to work on within phonics is involving decoding. And decoding is that classic one we always think of when we think of phonics. We say letter-sound correspondence, and that's what decoding is. It's a student being able to take the letters in a word and take those letters and match them up with their corresponding sounds to correctly pronounce the word. This is decoding or letter-sound correspondence. It has nothing really to do with comprehension. A student can be a wonderful decoder and still not understand what they're reading, but it is purely an act of taking graphemes or letters and matching them up with their corresponding sounds to pronounce a word. So think of decoding as going from letters to sounds, mapping out those letters of a word into sounds. We call those letters or spelling patterns graphemes. So this sometimes gets confused with a phoneme. A phoneme is a distinct sound in a language. The English language has 44 phonemes or 44 distinct sounds. A grapheme is a spelling pattern that corresponds to one of those phonemes. And there can be many graphemes or spelling patterns for a sound. For example, let's take a sound, one of the 44 phonemes in the English language, the phoneme for S, right? S, okay? We could see this one sound, one of the 44 sounds, in the word city and in the word sit. And here we have two different ways, two different graphemes that represent that phoneme. So graphemes kind of get a little tricky, right? So there's the rub. It's not just hearing the 44 sounds, but it's matching up those 44 sounds with their correct spelling patterns. So anyways, right now, all we need to work on with decoding is taking those spelling patterns and matching them up with their corresponding sounds. So that's the big idea. All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend, maybe check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. You can see all our live classes that are coming up. You know, one nice thing about the live classes is we cover the material in real time, and then you're able to go back and you're able to study it and listen to it again. So I encourage you, if you need extra help, check out a workshop. You know, I'm sure you'll find them very helpful. All right, team, everyone have a wonderful day. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.